Oh my gosh, y'all. Guess what came? I'm posting addresses. Oh my goodness, y'all. Guess what came? My custom cap and gown from Touched by Noor. Let's open this up. Oh my goodness. I did not know this was gonna come so soon. She did my if you didn't know, Touched by Noor is like a lady that does like custom caps and gowns. And she also does like Greek stuff too, like the wood. I forgot what it's called. But I'm not Greek. But yeah, y'all, she did my cap and my gown for my grad pictures. For my undergrad experience. Y'all, hold up. I'm so excited. I can't even get my words out. Let's open this for y'all. Make sure I'm not posting nobody's address. I hope y'all can see this. I feel like y'all can. I'm so excited I can't get my words out. Let's cover these mix. Press 23.4. It be the little things, I swear. Cause he has to do all that. You know what I'm saying? Okay. So I got a gown, a cap, and I got a stove. I'm gonna send y'all a picture of what I got last time as well. So a picture. Y'all. Oh my goodness. So it says Kiana J. Wilson. It has Romans. Can y'all see this? It has Romans 8:28. BS, Master's, PhD. Better late than never. Oh my goodness. This is the sign for like the school I'm going to. Romans 8:28. My name. Okay, and in the middle is for my dad. I got this from my it says for Troy. I got them like all my stoves. I got this from not all my stoves. I got this from my stove that I got in my undergrad. I think like, oh my goodness. I just feel so, oh my goodness, y'all. I got this from my daddy. Anywho, that passed. Okay, so anywho, here we have, oh my goodness. Reach for the stars. So if you fall, you land on the clouds. Faith, consistency, hard work. Mr. Kanye West graduation bear. Then it says social media management. Bro, she ate. Wow, this looks good. This looks really good. Wow. This is so pretty. I'm gonna show you my cap. You got this. I need this because I really want to, this is so pretty. Then it says, you got this sticker. And okay, for the hat. Let's get the hat. Y'all. If you cannot tell, I was a big Kanye West graduation fan. I just think it just fits the theme. Let me hide this. My family here. Faith, consistency, hard work. Graduation bear. And it says my name, Kiana J. Wilson. This is if you didn't know, if you're young, this is the graduation bear from Kanye West's his graduation album. He had like the registration, graduation, and he had like a college dropout. And he had the bear as like the mascot for those albums. Faith to see hard work comes from Spoken Reasons. It's a thing he used to do in all his videos back in the day. I don't know if he still does, but it just reminds me like to keep going. But this is it. I want to show my sister. She's popped up in front of my sister. I just feel so blessed. Yeah. And hopefully, if it's in God's plan, you know, she can do my PhD, so and cap as well. I'm gonna see y'all later. Oh my goodness.